Alright, so today I'm with my mom again, and as you can see, my hair is cut, but I still haven't shaved. So I'll do that sometime later. Alright, so today we'll be doing a typical Jamaican breakfast, which is also a national dish, Ackee and Saltfish. Well, the saltfish isn't a part of the national dish, but it's Ackee. It's Ackee and Saltfish, so yes. Here's my mom, yes, I'm ready. Now she's washing the saltfish. And now, after it's been washed, she put it in some boiling water. So with salted fish, it's really salty because they use salt to preserve it. I'll put some pictures here of what it should look like before having been washed. So that's your boiled Ackee?
Yeah, okay, I'm ready.
Oh, because it's frozen, or already cooked, okay. Alright, so basically the Ackee has been frozen and it's been pre-cooked, and that is because it was taken from Jamaica because we don't have that here in the States. And so in order to cook it so it doesn't become too soft, she's just using the steam to cook it. And then now she's about to do breadfruit, which is also something that's pretty typical of Jamaica. Everything here is frozen, as you can see. Alright, we're just simply putting some coconut oil in the pot so we can fry the breadfruit, and then we'll also fry up the Ackee along with the saltfish, etc. The breadfruits are finally done. There's this sort of crunch. Yeah. Here we have some plantains.
Next to ripe bananas.
They're similar to ripe bananas, but they're not the same. And here we're breaking up these saltfish.
So we can use them in the Ackee. This is the onion. I have some black pepper. It may look like I put in a lot in there, but it's not a lot. Our Maggi, all-purpose seasoning. So we're gonna put the saltfish in there.
That Ackee has already been pre-cooked, and then it was frozen and then sent here. So you will see that it's a little bit soft a bit, I guess, but normally it shouldn't be. It missing some color, like the sweet pepper, the yellow, green, red, and something. Some fresh glass of orange juice, not too much. Jamaican sourdough bread. I'm gonna eat this. Ackee and Saltfish.